Hi, Shannon.
What are you doing?
Cooking.
It's my birthday. Let's go to Nashville.
Okay.
We're in Nashville!
Girl, you are a walking masterpiece. Shame they keep you under lock and key. You're a diamond, I was born a thief.
I want my slippers.
Can you not find your penis?
Well, this doesn't look like a vagina. I'm so confused.
Heart starts beating right out of my chest, and I'm feeling my palms and it's starting to sweat. You're more than a thrill, and I gotta have you. You're the Mona Lisa, baby. I'm thinking I can steal you, maybe.
You ready? Ooh, sexy! Ooh, look at you! You little skank showing some belly. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Basic bitches. Ew. So, I guess they must have had a shortage of electricity, maybe power. Did you guys bomb all the barber shops over there? Hey, Shannon. Let's do that trick where you fart in the elevator.
Girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me.
You still look stupid.
Oh, yeah.
And my slippers. I want my slippers. I don't go anywhere without my slippers.
Bring it up here, sister. Let's go. Come on. Hey.
What is that?
I swear to God, if you guys shut this.
Okay, bye, bitch.
We'll have a house party. We don't need nobody. Turn your TV off. Break that boombox out. We'll wake up all the neighbors till the whole block hates us, and the cops will show up and try to shut us down. If you're gonna be a homebody, we're gonna have a house party.
It's so dry here in Phoenix. My hemorrhoids are just throbbing. I don't know what to do with myself. Somebody give me some preparations.
How wasted are you?
That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look at this up. Follow me everywhere at Jesus As a Cooking. Guys, Nashville was a lot of fun. How was it, Jackie?
So you just posted 4 minutes of us just partying,
Yep.
basically in a house.
Yeah.
And there's only like 3 seconds of food.
Yeah.
And this is a cooking channel.
Yeah. Good thing YouTube's free, right? Right? Right?